Today we will be doing the Brunnel-Littler test, testing for intrinsic or extrinsic finger extensor musculature tightness within those. So you're going to have your patients sitting in a relaxed position. You're going to go ahead and have them have their hand off the table here, and you're going to go ahead and hyperextend their finger at the MCP joint, and then bring them into a passive flexion of the PIP. Hyperextend here, and then extend them or flex them at the PIP joint. Go ahead and take this measurement with a finger goniometer. Then you're going to go ahead and bring them into a more flexed position of the MCP, and then flex them again at the PIP, and you're going to take another measurement at the PIP joints for their finger flexion here. And the measurements is what's going to tell us what the test is, positive for. If you passively flex the PIP, or when you passively flex the PIP from the MCP extended into flexed, if you have an increased amount of flexion for the second part of the test, then that would indicate tight intrinsic musculature, which would be your lumbricals. And then if you have a decreased amount of range of motion when you go from extended to flexed MCP, that would be indicative of a tight extrinsic musculature. And then finally, if you have the same amount of range of motion for both, then that would be a capsular pattern issue.